In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix common internet, Wi-Fi, or network issues on your Chromebook using a safety reset feature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best match, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to go down and select system preferences. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath reset, safety reset, remove unwanted pop-ups, fix network issues, and more by restoring your settings to safe defaults. Select safety reset, and then select safety reset again. Give us a moment, your screen may go black. And then once it's done, it may give you a pop-up here telling you what it did. And basically, it should hopefully clear out your network settings, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.